Abanyakasese mu kasheshe k'erizuba bakyeragwe rw'akagwe bwa nyuma y'Abahekyera ba Allied Democratic Forces okutahirira eishomero rya Mpondwe Ruberaha Secondary School bakita abeegi 37 na n'omukuumi w'eishomero na n'abandi bantu bashatu bashanjire omu muhanda.
This is not the first time that the ADF is crossing into Uganda to do that. You remember what happened in Kichwamba. You remember what happened in Toroko. In Toroko, it was interesting. They caught us. They came in the proper time where it was time that the army is always ready. But this one was in a place that we didn't expect, near Mpondwe, very near Mpondwe, and nobody would suspect this. But it's the borders. The borders are so porous. These guys can cross anywhere. And the UPDF doesn't deploy in every single point of these borders, no.
Major General Dick Oruma orukure bikwekweto bya Operation Suja omuri Congo nagira ngo Abahekyera babatahira mu eishomero shaha nki 11 burukushesha.
Ekintu kya security kitandika nagwe ng'omuntu. Buli lwobeera nga tolowooza safety yo, tolowooza ku security yo, nobeera onolowooza nti abasirikale amagye oba poliisi bwe bagenda tukuuma, awo bw'okisudde. Tulowooza buli muntu wona gy'abeera. Bw'olaba nti security yo sinungi, bw'olaba omuntu gw'otomanyi mu kitundu naddala ddala mu bitundu bino ebya Kasese, across the border w'olaba wetulwanisa aba ADF.
Oguyagaruka yashaba Abanyayuganda ngo nabo bagume bareba abantu abo batarukumanya bagambira by'okwerinda.
Olina okubeera nga weekengera nnyo okulaba omuntu yenna gw'otomanyi ngo o-ensuringa o-reportinge ku bakulu ba security agents. Naye nga tetukoze ekyo kitegeeza security yo ng'omuntu teba ntuufu teba nungi.
Nka TV West twahikahirwa ro erya Bwera ahabeja bababire birukanjizibwe ngo batunga obujanjabi kandi okutwashanga ngo irwaro ribire ritine shagama ekyarugereraho bamwe amubeja bana abirukanjizibwayo barikwendeshagamo okufa.
UPDF and police started ferrying people here in the midnight, and people were in critical condition. They had brought 5 who were ailing and they needed the blood. They had brought 20 dead bodies to the mortuary. So at night they called me when we had run short of blood, and I was able to move to rescue. We got some units in Kagando. We delivered it towards morning hours at 5 in the morning. But of course, out of the injured, 2 of them had died. They direly needed blood, and that period, the delay, could not help them. So eventually those ones, we lost them, and we were able to save others. The blood we brought, they transfused some, and those ones are now being worked on. So those ones are alive.
Bitorukurirwa reri yahamya ngo abandi abakiri mu kushasha bariyo no bajanjabwa.
Currently we have 24 dead bodies at the mortuary. Of those, 4 of them have just died when they had reached the hospital. It is only 20 bodies that were brought. The 4 died at the theater. And then in the morning we received more 3 casualties. One of the boys was shot in the arm. Then the others were also victims of the attack in the night.
John Muyingo or Minister w'ebyobwegese yahika hamwanya ogu kandi nawe hine byagamba.
Government eri wamu n'abantu b'ekitundu kino okulaba abantu tuyita mu kaseera kana akazibu. Tugenda nga gavumenti okulaba nti buli family tugikwatirako esobole okuziika obulungi, nga buli family tugiwa $5 million kuziika abaana abafa abatufuddeko. Tujja genda mu maaso n'okulabirira abaana bafa abo bakyali mu bulumi mu malwaliro era gavumenti ejja balabirira.
Abandi abeegi babishiki nibateeberezebwa kuba batwirwa Abahekyera aba kandi abeegi bashatu aboojo nibo bahonokireho bwanyuma y'okushanga ngu babaire bagiire omu kidongo obwo eishomero ryabo ritaahirirwe.